Day 33 was great. Woke up to the sun, so we got into cooking, answering a classic question that we're always getting. Can you cook steak on that? Well, you'll see what happens to this steak.
Country-style ribs on the menu for lunch.
So these are country-style ribs made of what, pork?
Pork. Pork, no bone.
Wow.
Cook up nice and quickly in the sport. What I love about this is you put your sauce on, leave them in there however long you need to till you're ready to eat. They won't dry out, they stay moist and delicious.
Wonderful. Sun is high and the grill is cranking at 4.5. This is probably a little overdone now. Shoot this steak. 162 on the outside. Yeah. Yep, beautiful. I got another one, much lower, slower. It's running at 130, so good chance to do some comparisons. In the 4-all, I'm going back to a little baba ganoush concept. So this is eggplant that we've got roasting up. Give that a little bit more time. Nothing in it but eggplant and garlic. Pound cake for all.
Warm from the oven.
Sure. Thank you. Is this right out of the stove?
Yeah. Pound cake.
Yeah.
Heavy bread, baddest bitches in the bed. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. Solid life of crime.
One more piece.
Oh boy.
A victim of ghetto demand.
Oh, country style ribs in the Go Sun Sport. No, sizzle. And all the sand in the tray. Freaking badass. Susie really knows what she's doing. What'd you say?
Getting a feel for it, yeah.
Now, I don't eat a lot of meat, but I just had to answer that question. This is a flank steak that was roasted in 2 different Go Sun grills at different temperatures. They turned out really nice. We cut them up nice and thin so that you could get all that flavor in every bite and pass them out throughout the office. It was a big hit. Juicy, tender, and tons of flavor. And pretty much the same story with the country fried ribs. Susie hooked up some pretty impressive little pork tenders here, and the sauce was to die for. It was gone in an instant once we got the whole office engaged.
I'm your pusher man.
All done in the Go Sun. We were all worried about there not being enough sun today. Huh!
2 bags, please.
There's nothing hard about 40 days of sunshine. Next time I'm gonna do it blindfolded. Yeah, so things are good when they're good, but I may have gotten ahead of myself by saying that. The forecast is looking pretty interesting. Celebrity Chef Davey Jones here testing our flank steak coming out of the Go Sun grill. A lot of people ask us, can you cook a steak on it? Let's see it.
It's juicy and delicious.
Well, there you have it, folks. This is a guy who makes meat pies for a living.
I'm just gonna stick this in my mouth. Try and stop me.